Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about some of the features that are available with the One UI 7 update for the Galaxy A34. And if you have not already, so you can update it by simply tapping on the settings, then you have to tap on software update and download and install. From here you will get to see this new One UI 7 update for your device. The update size is above 3 GBs and you can install it and download directly from here. Today in this video we will talk about the new camera app features that are available with the new update. So the camera app is now redesigned with the One UI 7 update. There is this new camera layout with the new camera buttons, controls, modes have been redesigned to make it easier to find the features you need and to give you a clear preview of the picture you are taking. Also, the modes menu have been redesigned. Instead of filling the whole screen and blocking the camera view, you can now preview by simply tapping on this small button. All the useful features like the ratio, the camera mode and the filters are available from here. Camera filters have been changed, also new filters are now available and the existing filters have been improved. Each filter also allows fine-tuned adjustments of intensity, color, temperature and contrast saturation. Some video settings are also available if you tap on the video. If you tap on video, there are multiple settings available, like you can directly turn on the steady mode on or off from here. There are enhanced zoom controls also available. It is now easier to choose the right zoom level. A 2x zoom button is available by default and multiple other options of zoom are also available. And that's all for today's video. These were some of the camera changes that are available with the One UI 7 update on the Galaxy A34. If you're new around this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe and let me know in the comment section that are you enjoying the One UI 7 update on your Galaxy A34 or not, and let me know your favorite feature and changes with the One UI 7 update.